In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live or demo account in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have a fully working demo environment, often called paper trading, so you can practice strategies without risking real money. And you'll know exactly where you'd go later if you decide to connect a live broker. First, head over to tradingview.com and log into your account. You'll need to be signed in so Tradingview can save your trading settings and track your simulated positions. If the site opens it to the home page, that's perfect. We're starting from there. Make sure your internet connection is stable and give the page a moment to load, especially if it's your first time. Next, open any chart. You can click Chart from the top menu or search for a symbol you're interested in. Stocks, crypto, forex, it all works. The specific symbol doesn't matter for setup. You just need a live chart view up on your screen. Once the chart loads, you'll see the familiar layout with tools on the left, indicators on top, and data along the bottom. Now look toward the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. It's a tabbed section beneath the price action area. If you don't see it, try expanding the bottom panel by dragging it upward, or click the small carousel to reveal it. The trading panel is the control center for both demo and live trading connections. Inside the trading panel, click Paper Trading. Paper Trading is Tradingview's built-in demo account. It simulates order execution and account balance so you can place market, limit, and stop orders just like you would with a real broker, but with virtual funds. This is ideal for learning the interface, testing risk management, and rehearsing entries and exits. Click Connect. Tradingview will instantly link the chart to your paper trading account. There's no extra setup or approvals required for the demo. You'll see your virtual balance appear, and the order panel becomes active so you can place trades directly from the chart or via the ticket. If you want to adjust your virtual balance or reset it later, open the paper trading settings from the same panel and make your changes there. If Connect is grayed out, double-check that you're logged in and the chart is fully loaded. That's it. Your demo account is ready. You can practice placing orders, setting stop losses and take profits, and reviewing your performance in the account history. When you're ready to explore live trading, the same trading panel shows supported brokers, and you would connect a real brokerage account there following their on-screen prompts. For now, enjoy the safety of paper trading while you refine your strategy and build confidence.